Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Okay, today we want to create create an iOS 7 inspired tab or icon set in Adobe Illustrator. In this part, we want create a settings icon, a gear icon, like a gear icon. Okay, first step, we want to set up our document from File, New Document, and select a custom size 640 in 98 and unit point, artboard 1, and color mode set to RGB, and now create. Okay, now document is ready. First step, we want to create a circle. Okay, select stroke and change color, fill to now, and stroke to 2.weight, stroke weight to 2 point. Select ellipse tool, select. Now set change size to 52. Okay, now align, zoom in. Okay, that's right. Now we want to create another small circle, but now we want to change color to fill. Okay, Shift X. Now select and set size to 8 point. Okay, align to center, horizontal center. Okay, change position to here, line. Okay, now select direct selection tool and select bottom point and move to up like this. Okay, now we must duplicate from this shape. Okay, select Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and move to bottom. Right click, transform, reflect, and to horizontal. Preview. Okay. Now okay, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, set and set this to this line again. Now we need select two items, Ctrl G to group, and right click, transform edge, cancel again, transform edge. Okay, no problem. Okay, angle to set angle to 30 and to copy. Okay, Control D to repeat this action. Okay, now we have a shape like a gear. Okay, now select ellipse tool and set size to 12. Okay, but we need a circle by a stroke, not fill. Shift X, set stroke to 2 point, align to center, horizontal and vertical. That's right. Okay, now select rectangle tool and Shift X to change the color to fill, and the width 2 point and height to, for example, 20 point. Okay, change position to center, change and put it this. Oh, we have stroke to this. Excuse me, we forgot a setting for a stroke. Select a stroke and change align stroke to inside. Okay, and for the circle stroke, change to inside. Okay, we need change size. Okay, good. Now select R tool. Hold Alt key or Option key Mac and click in center. Okay, and rotate angle to 120 and copy and Control D again. Okay, that's right. Now the gear icon is ready. Okay, we need add text or label. Settings. Change color. Change color to gray. Okay, and size to 20. Okay, change. Align to center. Okay, that's how we go to 18, for example, and right. Okay, the gear icon now is ready. Go to layer panel, change name to settings, and duplicate from this layer. Okay, and change name to settings activated. That's right. Hide as setting layer. Now we want to change the color of settings activated layer to blue color. Okay, select circles. Okay, lock. Okay, lock this and select this. Okay, now change color to blue. Okay, now select this circle, big circle and small circle. Object expand appearance. Okay, now select color to blue and this to blue. Okay, select rectangle and change color to blue. Text, change to blue. Okay, now we need fill this gear inside of gear to blue. Okay. Okay, for fill the circle blue color, we select direct selection tool and select inner point of big circle, for example this, and delete key this and delete. Okay, and for example again this, delete, and this and delete. Okay, now we have a fill color for our circle. Now select these items. Okay, and from Pathfinder select unite. Okay, we have a color. We can change the color to it. Okay, you now see the shape. Okay, select this and circle, and from Pathfinder select minus front. Okay, now we have activated setting icon in this layer. Okay, now the setting icon is ready. You can see, okay, main icon and activated icon, main and activated. Okay, good luck.